Welcome to BillBjorn. In the next few minutes I will show you how BillBjorn works with QuickBooks Online to keep every foreign currency bill, exchange rate, and supporting document perfectly aligned. Here's what we will cover. First, we will upload an invoice with a foreign currency and review the data BillBjorn captures automatically. Then we will look at the exchange rate options, publish the bill to QuickBooks Online, and finish with the match and reconciliation steps. We start our demo by uploading an invoice. As soon as I upload it, the document is processed automatically. I click the button on the right side of the inbox to create a new bill, which opens the review screen. I open the new contact window to show how you could enter a fresh vendor and set the vendor currency, then I close it again. Next I focus on the foreign exchange rate field. It is empty by default, which means QuickBooks Online will decide the exchange rate when we export. To demonstrate a manual override, I enter 1.5 as the rate. By clicking the Calc button I open the exchange rate calculator. Here I can enter my local currency amount. To get the local currency amount I switch to the QuickBooks Online bank transaction screen. The card charge we are about to reconcile is highlighted. I note the total of $31.54 Australian dollars before switching back to BillBjorn. Back in BillBjorn I enter $31.54 Australian dollars into the calculator. BillBjorn returns an exact exchange rate of 1.577. I accept the result, which places that rate in the exchange rate field and shows the converted amount of $31.54 Australian dollars beneath the United States dollar total. With the amounts confirmed, I tick the paid checkbox, choose the credit card account, and enter the payment date. Every required field is now complete, so I press Send to export the bill directly to QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online the bill appears instantly with all of the data from BillBjorn. The United States dollar total, the Australian dollar equivalent, and the exchange rate are already in place, and the original PDF invoice travels with it. Perfect for bookkeepers and accountants. On the QuickBooks Online transaction screen, the same $31.54 Australian dollar charge is highlighted in green. QuickBooks identifies the bill we just sent, and the match link lets us pair the credit card transaction with the published bill in one click. That is the power of BillBjorn and QuickBooks Online for multi-currency bills. Upload, review, send, and reconcile without losing track of exchange rates or documents. To learn more, visit BillBjorn.com.